Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do a little planning in my Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook, which has the 2021 Dollar Tree planner in it. I've already recovered the standard weekly insert, and I put some washi here to reinforce. And then this one here is the student planner. So I'll probably switch back and forth between them. I ran out of washi here, so I kind of improvised. This was a sample. I think it's Jube Jube. I don't even know, or Jube Jube Cove. I don't even know if that shop is still open, but that's where the Black Girl Magic washi tape came from. It was a sample that I received. And yeah, I used all of this washi tape. And I believe this was part of a tube from Hobby Lobby. So yes, I don't really care for animal print, but for some reason, I don't know, I just wanted to use it in this planner to do something different, not just all pink. And this is a specialty paper, so it's got like a velvety feel to it. It kind of gives you the impression of actual fur. So I really like this paper, and I've been holding on to it for quite some time. So I finally cut into it and used it. So moving right along, this one starts from the 28th through the 3rd. I don't know that I want to decorate this week or not. I might decorate it and leave it. But we're gonna be working on the 4th through the 10th. And I did try to clean up in here a little bit and change things around a bit. Like I put the poof up at the top. I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll see. And yeah, I said I was going to move out of this, I don't know, months ago, and I'm still in it. So there we go. Okay, so I pulled out a few things to work with. I think I'm going to use my days of the weeks from there. I have this washi from Simply Gilded that I want to use. I'm going to use one of these dolls from COCO'S Vision and some stickers from this Hot Buy sticker book from Michaels. So this one is a little old. I think it came out spring or summer of last year. So I don't know, but I'm going to use one of these washi strips. Ooh. And I don't know that this is going to be long enough or wide enough. I thought it was going to be, but it is not. So let's go on and do some whiteout. Okay, so that was a pretty lousy whiteout job. I don't know what's wrong with that whiteout, but it's not working right. But I'm just gonna line this up on the line, the black line. And I think I'm gonna stop it right there. And keep it moving. So I don't know that this washi actually goes with this, but I just want to use this washi, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I think that looks kind of good, even though it doesn't really match. I don't think I'm going to use washi tape to cover that. I'm just going to use one of my month stickers. And then for the days of the week, well, let's finish this one up. And then I'm going to use the crafting by the pound numbers, but I don't know how I'm going to use them. Let's see. I think I'm going to do it like that. Okay, so I wanted to use some of these, but let's go on and put down a doll. I'm thinking her. Just put her here. And then let's put down some deco. So I'm going to use some more of these pink flowers from the seasonal pages. And if you, this is printable, and you can check out if you want to check out the seasonal pages, I'll leave the information in the description box below, along with a coupon code. Because their little flowers are not that cute. The seasonal pages flowers help bring it out a little bit more. Okay, so that's where we are for the week. Let's see how this works out. I don't like that this is exposed, but there's nothing I can do about that right now. Let's trim that little bit off. Okay. So let's pop that in and see what we've got. And voila, there we have it. So that's it for this week's Dollar Tree Plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.